Hi everyone, today I'm here explaining to you a bit about Aphmau because my daughter loves Aphmau, and this is now the third one we have bought. It is 200 Rand at Checkers in South Africa. In China, where we used to buy them, they were much cheaper, but seeing as we love her and she also always wants to buy this, I decided I'm gonna make a little video and show you what it's all about. So the first time she bought one, this little man came out. She said, what's the name? S'more cat. Okay. As you can see, it's quite fluffy and cute, and of course it's got a little marshmallow on his head. Also, she said it's got little marshmallows in his eyes. What's your favorite part about your little Aphmau here? Can you tell me? The eyes. Okay, the eyes. She really loves the eyes on this one. Really squishy. Super cute. Okay, the next one is this one. Looks like a rainbow cat ice cream little cherry thing. It's actually really cute because it's got nice shiny things. Let me say again. Snow cone cat. Snow cone cat. This one's named Snow cone cat, and as you can see, stars in his eyes with a little cherry on top. Super cute because it's super shiny, and a little paw thingy here at the end. And of course the little cone on his head. Super cute. Okay, so today we are going to unbox another one. Let's hope that it is not the same one as these two. I will also show you at the end all the other ones that we can still collect. So let's get going. According to me, there's how many different ones? Nine different ones. I think on the box actually it says yes, 9 to collect. There's little cute pictures on there, and that side as well. And the box has like tiny little ears. They can point up, they can pop up. Yeah. Okay, but we first now need to figure out how to open these. Okay, made a little hole, so let's see. Here's the ears. That makes the box cute. Only I can get the other one to pop out too. There. How cute is that? You can play with the box too. Okay, let's see. Oh, another plastic. At the bottom is the secret opening place because this little part here is taped. So Alea says we need to pop the bottom part open because that way we can save the box. She's right. Let's see. Before, let's have a look. There's all the ones you can collect. Of course, we've got this one now, and the middle one there. Up there. So let's see, which one do you think you want next? Okay, I really like this one, so I wish we could get it. Also, it shows you there how rare it is, right? And yeah, super cute. It's a mystery plush toy. So now you can see, you take it out the bag, and now it's for the big reveal. It's so cute. Ready? 1, 2. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Hi, little cat. What's this one's name? Let's see. Onion ring cat. On his body, little onion rings. Onion ring on the head. It almost looks like a donut. Cute. Also soft, fluffy. Look at the details on the eyes. Cute tail. Look at his cute little feet and paws back there. Tiny little tail. Cute. Here you go, Alaya. All yours.
These are the carnival cats, and they were all in a row on the paper. As you can see, it is all in a row. 1, 2, and 3.
Okay, but tell me what you like most about each of them.
I like this one the most because it is very cute to me. I like that this one has the cookies. I also like one thing about all of them. They all have these little paws. I like about this one that they even added the cone to the snow cone with his tail. This one, I like that they added this little pop out, like these.